Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome again to our 365 daily devotion. Our topic for today is husband and wife for Christ. And our scripture for today is Ephesians 5 verse 33. However, each one of you also must love his wife as he loves himself, and the wife must respect her husband. So, ang unang katuruan po natin, or ang sinasabi kasi dito sa Bible is dapat yung mga husband or yung mga lalaki sa ugnayang babae at lalaki is dapat minamahal niya yung asawa niya, or ayun, ang asawa niya or ang wife niya, kagaya ng pagmamahal niya sa sarili niya. At yung wife naman, kailangan respetuhin niya yung husband niya. So our first teaching is the husband must love his wife as he loves himself and as Christ loves the church. So ang pagmamahal dapat ng husband is kagaya ng ang pagmamahal niya sa kanyang sarili at pagmamahal niya sa Diyos, at ang pagmamahal ng Diyos sa kanyang mga nasasakupan or sa church. Second, the wife must respect her husband and submit to him just as the church submits to Christ. So, sinasabi dito is yung wife or yung babae is kailangan niya mag-submit sa lalaki, and that means kumbaga parang nagsasubmit sila sa Panginoon kagaya ng pag-submit ng church sa kay Kristo, di ba? Third is, marriage must be our testimony of the present reality of God's kingdom. So, marriage is very sacred, and ito dapat yung kung paano dapat yung marriage mo, kung masaya ba or maganda ba yung marriage mo, that will be your testimony kung paano gumagalaw ang Panginoon sa buhay mo at sa buhay nyo mag-asawa. Kasi you are the foundation of every family. Yung marriage talaga yung foundation nun. So, kung maganda yung relationship ng husband and wife, maganda rin yung magiging relationship na to sa kanilang mga anak, and maganda rin yung magiging relationship nila sa Panginoon. So, it's really a domino effect. So, kailangan talaga magkaroon sila ng ugnayan kung saan the wife must submit himself and the husband will love his wife as he loves himself. So, moving on to application. Husband, be Jesus or love to your wife. So, yung mga husband daw, kailangan nilang maging parang si Kristo. Kumbaga, sila yung maglalapit sa kanilang mga asawa sa Panginoon. Sila yung magmamahal sa kanilang asawa, gaya ng pagmamahal ni Kristo sa bawat isa sa atin. Kaya nga sinasabi dito is, husbands, love your wife just as Christ loved the church. So, ibig sabihin, yung pagmamahal dapat ng husband sa kanyang wife is kagaya ng pagmamahal ni Kristo sa'yo. So, second, wife, be the church or submit to your husband. So, ang tungkulin naman ng isang wife is isubmit yung kanyang sarili sa kanyang husband. Kumbaga, para siyang church na isinasambit ang lahat sa Panginoon. Kumbaga, they are trusting if the church is trusting the Lord, the wife must trust his husband. And last but not the least, together raise the standard of your relationship. So, yung relationship talaga, it is a two-way process. Kailangan in order for the wife to surrender, kailangan mahalin siya ng husband, and in order for the husband to love his wife, kailangan mag-surrender ito sa kanya. So, kailangan nilang mag-meet halfway. Meron silang kanya-kanyang tungkulin kung saan kapag pareho nilang nagawa yun, they will raise the standard ng isang relasyon, or kumbaga parang, diba ang standard kasi is yung Bible. So, ibig sabihin, masusunod nila yung kautusan ng Panginoon. Masusunod nila yung nasa Bible. So, that's it for today's devotion. I'll see you again on the next one.